Just forgot to mention, I think the total journey will take us almost like 2,700 kilometers from Munich actually. So it's like almost 24 hours in total without stop. If we take a stop, then it's going to take 3 days, I guess. So, but we are not going to drive continuously. We're going to take a lot of breaks, overnight stops and everything. There's only one way, like going from Munich until Samsung, and from Samsung Samsung is one small city actually in Turkey, which is on north of Turkey, very famous like for Black Sea area. That is only 2,700 kilometers from here total, and from there we'll go to Antalya, and which is almost like 1,000 kilometers from there, and from Antalya we'll come back to Munich, which is again somewhere like around 2,000 or 3,000 kilometers. So in total journey will be around 7,000 to 8,000 kilometers. Right, so I hope this car can help us or survive until that time. Yes. Hi guys, good morning. This is the second day. We just reached Budapest. Not reach. We slept in at Budapest Park Place for 5 hours. Yeah, and now we are heading towards Serbia border. This is the park place. This is the most safe place, OMV. So you can actually take a car here and take overnight break.
And I really think the people here are literally nice.
Yeah, we are going inside to fresh.
And the toilets are very clean.
We are just going toilet now. Looks nice.
Look at my hair looks like a mess.
They also got breakfast and everything here too. Hi guys, so finally we reached to Serbia. So this is Hungarian-Serbian border. So we'll take the vignette now to cross the border, which is the country tax, I guess. To enter any country in Europe, you have to take some ticket, which is called vignette. Because they are other passport and we are in Europe. So we just finished our border control. We did our border control now. And look at the traffic at the border.
Who are coming all
While
back,
coming back
from Turkey.
So that is the reason why it was so much traffic here. Oh god. So while going it is completely free, but while coming back to Europe it is full. And of course they are coming to Europe, that's why they need to get this checked. For the drive actually. Crossing from Britain, then French Channel, then coming to... Hi guys, so this is Serbian border actually. Serbian border. Now we have to do the second passport control because Serbia doesn't come into EU. And we are preparing actually for them chocolate so that we can give them chocolate here. They always ask at border. It's good to have something to give them always. It's not a bribe. It's just a thank you at the border. Yeah, so we're almost very close for the control now because we waited here.
Vignette?
Vignette for what?
Vignette, we don't need.
Vignette, right? So Serbia is directly toll.
Serbia.
So we just finish in maybe 5 seconds. Now we are here and now we are heading towards Belgrade.
Hello, Schatz.
Just finish our border control in Serbia. Now you can see the complete road. And Serbia is like more field right here. There is no much cities or big cities actually. Yeah, completely empty place. I think they all left and went to Germany. Highway, it's very tasty because last time we came to Turkey, a good soup. I don't know how far it is from here, but only fields and small village. I believe this is how far it is from here? Maybe 167. So as I said in my previous video that we have been waiting for some Turkish restaurant and hotel. Actually it's completely shut down. Last year we was here in this hotel,
God,
come
it got
restaurant.
abandoned.
It got completely
Wait, what if they explore inside?
Oh my god. And it looks so late.
Finally we are at one Turkish highway restaurant. Waiting for the destination to go. Yeah, they all are from Germany. If you see all D number plates, yeah, all are Germany. Look, D. Beer, iced tea. Peach. So it is very similar, like typical Indian dhaba. The meat and bread, what we order, and some soup. But like very hot outside. It's almost like 40 degree. Sunny because there is a hotel, so that you can park your car and sleep. And so finally this is our food. Okay.
Now. Yes. Nice. So we have reached almost Bulgaria. And Bulgaristan'ın gümrüğüne gelmiş bulunuyoruz. Arka arkaya, yani çok bekleyecekler gerçekten. Araba gümrüğünde bekleyenler. Gireyim mi? Ha?
So guys, we already reached after 24 hours to Serbian Bulgarian border, and we are stuck at the traffic. I guess the traffic is for only 23 minutes. It looks like this.
1 kilometer.
Yeah, whole way was empty, completely empty. So whatever we cover there, we are spent here now. After 24 hours to Serbia and Bulgaria. It's like where we are entering to Bulgaria from Serbia. And again you are coming to the Bulgaria. Unfortunately, we again doing all the passport control and everything. I hope they have the Europe waiting for us in next border, Bulgarian border.
Giving them.
I Radio Beograd 202.
Okay, so we already reached now.
They're giving something.
I don't know
I
what.
don't know what they are giving.
Don't know. Still at Bulgarian border now. You can see how many lanes are there and how many it's open. Why he came here?
Yeah, can you check?
We're on the number 6th or 7th now, right? So that means we can expect something like 15 minutes more to stay here. Edirne. Slow. Yeah. Edirne border is almost like 3 hours or 4 hours, I believe. But the roads, it will be much easy for us to go over there now. We'll take a short break and then we'll proceed further. Left Sofia city now from Bulgaria. So I think it's very close to it. Edirne is still not showing. Still showing Sofia. Good break now. So it's only 100 kilometers left now. So we just decided to take a last. You can see everybody sleeping actually over here at parking place. They already got, generally it's like always like this. So when you train all the caravan together, like a lot of Turkish people halting all together. The reason behind this is because and they stop their car and they take. So next stop is Turkish border. We see you there.
We're about to reach the border.
So finally guys, we are very close to almost like 5 hours to cross.
Wow, what is this?
Edirne. From Edirne to Istanbul is still 280 Turkey. So we'll cross first Bulgaria border now, and then traffic is not much. So I think there are less people.
Anneciğim. Sen.
Back now, maybe because of whatever they are. Let's see how long it will take for us. So we are in at Bulgarian border now, and I have to walk on the street on highway to get the ticket called vignette for using their highway. Yes, so it will cost you something like maybe 10 euro or 15 euro, I guess, for 10 days. So we have to take this before we cross the border. Hey, this is the border tradition actually. If you are stuck at the border, the man has to go out on the street and smoke. So finally guys, we got the chance to enter to Turkish border, which is located at Edirne. As soon you enter to the country, your car will be getting cleaned up. Finally we are here.
Seher komplet KO. So Seher kalk kızım, polis. Tamam, şükürler olsun. Hadi camı aç, cam. Gel polisi.
Jan, तुम इतनी excited.
Where is this which I took it out?
टर्की है कि अपना होश मत खो दिया करो जब तुम.
Ne diyor? Okay, she is not getting.
So guys, we have to wait a little bit to get our in the border control. Now we are going to the most exciting part.
But I'm
Officially-
right?
Yes, and officially we are entering. So passport control over, car control over,
No,
everything
it's
is
coming.
finished.
Bakmadılar.
We've just finished now baggage control also, that we have to open the whole car to and show them what is there in. So finally, officially, we are inside the Turkey land now. Istanbul.
I am wrong.
East side rakho jaan. East side. It's coming.
This was our hotel. Devant.
So guys, now which is almost like 282 kilometers from Edirne, Istanbul now. 32 hours of drive from Munich to Istanbul. We find friends, and the house is actually in the European side of Istanbul. Holiday, which is with the lane, and the cars are parked around together. Istanbul over there, this and this.